Just wanted to share a quick update on a catch can install. I've got a Mishimoto universal catch can that I got from MA Performance for about 150 bucks. I installed it on my Veloster. Actually, I installed it on my Civic first, Civic Si, but that car died. So as I sold that, I removed the catch can prior to selling and popped it into the replacement, the Veloster N. And after 1,000 miles of driving and 200 miles of hard driving on a track at Brainerd International Raceway with the Northstar BMW car club, I drained the catch can for the first time, and we've got about 2 ounces of blow-by that would have come out and been dumped into the intake manifold. So the catch can is doing its job. And one thing I needed to do on a turbocharged application was purchase a brass check valve from Damon Motorsports. It was about 30 bucks shipped. It is robust as hell. This couldn't have been a simpler installation, even with the universal. Now, a lot of folks I've seen put their catch cans up here or down here. I prefer not to have something that I installed near moving parts or hot stuff, just for safety, ease of operation. The only drawback about where I have it here down by the airbox is that it's a little tight. For removing it, you just have to take these self-tapping screws out with a 7mm hex wrench. No problem. Otherwise, just run your 3/8 into an adapter to the 1/2 inch back into the intake manifold, and then 3/8 inch out and down and under, nice and clean. Mine does. If you look in here closely, you can see that it goes underneath the hood pop cable here, but it hasn't interfered with it yet, so I'm going to leave it there for the time being. Eventually, to make things even easier still, I plan on reinstalling the petcock adapter at my next oil change. So until then, I will just have to undo the screws here at the top and drain it manually. But so far, it looks like I'll probably only have to change it out once per 3,000 miles. 2 ounces was roughly half the capacity of this catch can. So we've got at least an oil change worth of capacity, unless there's more than one track day in that oil change period. So anyway, thanks a lot.